Leonins. They say this place is my home. They will soon learn this short-tailed Leonin isn't as cute as it seems.
Request backup.
Da-da-da-ha.
First blood.
The beat is up! I'm the bearer of the blessing, the custodian of all Leonin's future and joy. You dizzy now?
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself in track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you're in your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'll show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you every side, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like the dawn. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me.
It felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up.
I have always been the naughty one, but at least it's fun.
Right, then you know, wait till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never let me.
We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you show me your part. Let's sound our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we would never apart. Drinking too young,
Never
way
gonna
too
stop
much
here.
fun. Out in the sun, no pain when it's gone. Took you to the prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come
to beat us up.
careless we could be.
You get tired.
Time was precious. We love to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night. Let's be by your side, finally alive. We would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Still what we're told, we can't be controlled.
We own an exclusive? No? Lightning flash incoming!
I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listen to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really got it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that works the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm gonna get started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get started. Can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started. Yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We got to turn up. This shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out in front of the whole crowd. We lose control now. Don't take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we should know my family, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be.
Double kill. Gather up the Lord.
So I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me.
work and better take action or you end up serving. That's a fact, so you better clean up your back.